Bitcoin hovers above $43,000, Ether stays below $2,300. ARK sells $28 million Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. BlackRock revives spot Bitcoin ETF proposal ahead of rumored SEC approvals. SEC delays several Ethereum ETFs, pushing final decision to May. Ubisoft's Champions Tactics Ethereum NFTs generate millions after free mint. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets have managed to overcome a cool-off caused by overbought conditions, Fed rate hikes, and ETF approval optimism. The latest resurgence is attributed to FTX's plan for early bankruptcy resolution, which includes returning up to 90% of creditors' funds. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC15 index, the barometer of the top 15 tokens, surged 5.65% to 54,253. Bitcoin's price made an effort to reclaim $43,000 during the day, having been pushed southward to 5-day low of just under $41,000 over the weekend. The largest cryptocurrency buy was recently trading at $43,152, up by 5.8%. BTC's market cap has increased to $845 billion, but its dominance over the alts is currently 52.26%, an increase of 0.16% over the day. The cumulative market capitalization of all crypto assets have shed $200 billion since yesterday's high at $1.60 trillion and is up 6% to $1.62 trillion. Well, most alternative coins also suffered in the past several days, but the market is entirely different now. ETH was trading at $2,242, a rise of 4.9% in a similar time span. Well, if we talk about Binance's BNB token, then it was trading 6.8% higher at $250. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It jumped 10% to trade at $74.87. Well, if we talk about the sales of Solana Saga phones, they picked up last week as some arbitrage traders appeared to be tracing a 30 million Bonk token airdrop given to every phone owner. Saga phone is now selling for as much as $5,000 after earlier being deemed a failure by its makers. Cardano's ADA token gained 7.9% to trade at $0.60. Avalanche AVAX rose by 8.60% to $40.86. Avalanche Foundation is investing in Masa Finance, a data network designed to be like Google for the AI era. Masa is partnering with managed blockchain service Ava Cloud to deploy a gasless Avalanche subnet, which is designed to handle high volumes of zero-knowledge encrypted data efficiently and cost-effectively. While Polygon's Mativ token gained 2.79% to trade at $0.79, and Polkadot's DOT rose 5.96% before trading at $6.89. Ripple's XRP added 3.44% to trade at $0.61, and DogeCoin was trading 5% higher at $0.093. And if we talk about Shiba Inu, it rose 7.2%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Cathie Wood's ARK continues to trim its holdings of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as the discount narrows and Bitcoin nears $43,000. A disclosure from ARK shows that ARK Next Generation Internet ETF sold 809,441 shares of GBTC for approximately $28 million. After this latest sale, the investment firm is left with 3.4 million GBTC shares worth $117.4 million, down from a high of around 9 million shares in July 2021. ARKW bought the GBTC shares at an average cost of $24.08, putting this sale in the black as GBTC is currently trading at $34.54. Bitcoin is currently trading above $43,000 according to CoinMarketCap data and is up 5% over the last 24 hours. BlackRock filed a revised spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund proposal in a bid to appease regulators, likely boosting its odds of securing a first-of-its-kind approval in the US. Under the updated proposal, BlackRock's ETF will feature cash creation and redemption mechanism, the model favored by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The world's largest asset manager is the latest of several firms to update its proposal amid speculation the SEC could approve a swath of spot Bitcoin ETF applications as early as January. BlackRock first applied for its iShares blockchain and tech ETF last month, proposing an in-kind redemption model. However, the SEC scrutinized the proposal, raising concerns about investor safety and market manipulation. ETFs typically feature one of two types of redemption and creation mechanisms, in-kind or cash. As in-kind redemption structure, which many firms say is more appealing to investors, enables firms to redeem shares for Bitcoin held by their ETFs. Cash redemptions, which the SEC regards as the safer and more accessible redemption option, replace those shares with their equivalent cash value. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission is pushing back its decision on several Ether exchange-traded funds to May 2024. In multiple December 18 regulatory filing, the agency delayed its decision on the #Nasdaq Ethereum ETF and the Grayscale Ethereum Futures ETF. In the filings, the agency said it was instituting proceedings that involve gathering further public input around whether or not the ETFs should be listed. The agency also pushed back its decision on the VanEck Spot Ethereum ETF and the Spot Ethereum ETF launched by Cathie Wood's ARK Investment and 21 shares. Despite the SEC having approved Ethereum futures ETFs in the past, the agency has yet to approve a spot or mixed type product. Ubisoft's upcoming battler game Champions Tactics, Grimoria Chronicles, sold out its free Warlords NFTs within minutes and has seen over $2 million in sales within a couple hours of its public mint, as per CryptoSlam data. After a limited pre-sale for select fans, the pixelated profile picture style Warlords minted out in less than 20 minutes during the collection's free public mint that occurred at 4 p.m. ET Monday. The NFTs are now trading on secondary marketplaces like OpenSea for roughly $600 each, or about 0.27 ETH at time of writing. Only 7% of the 9,999 NFTs are currently listed for sale, a stat that suggests most collectors plan to hang on to their Warlords so that they can use them to unlock the game's next free mint for its in-game characters. While the Warlords NFTs were free to mint, buyers did have to pay Ethereum gas fees for their transactions, which can fluctuate wildly from tens to hundreds of dollars depending on network traffic. Champions Tactics will use the Oasis blockchain for its other crypto integrations, which promises a gas-free gaming experience. Gamers who missed out on the Warlords mint and don't want to drop $600 in Ethereum to play the game aren't out of options though. According to the game's website, Ubisoft will offer a free Champions figure drop at a later date, with more details yet to be revealed. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Injective. The INJ price has experienced a rapid increase since the start of 2023, reaching an all-time high of $24.60 last week. This represents nearly 27,000% growth in 2023. The altcoin cleared a diagonal resistance and then moved above critical horizontal resistance, accelerating the increase. INJ is a key player in the Injective ecosystem, providing critical infrastructure for top DeFi projects. Its role in offering interoperable and advanced software modules sets a new standard in the ecosystem. The INJ token plays a crucial role in maintaining networks safety, making decisions, and guiding developers in building and improving DeFi solutions. Despite other cryptocurrencies sliding down, few coins, including INJ, have been trading higher, demonstrating the coin's resilience despite the market dump. INJ was trading at $38, up near 25% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have a new token, which is the Jupiter token. Jupiter, a decentralized exchange based in Solana, is set to airdrop 1 billion native JUP tokens early next year. The project's founder, Meow, announced a 50-50 split between the community and a Jupiter team, allocating 50% of the tokens to the community and 50% to the project team. The distribution model aims to establish harmony by ensuring the community acts as a counterweight and fact-checker to the team's decisions. Jupiter's long-term strategy focuses on leveraging the decentralized meta within the Solana ecosystem, fostering a secure, independent team capable of making strategic decisions for the platform's future. The team managed a portion allocates 10% to liquidity in the first year, with an additional 20% allocated to the current team, vesting over a 2-year period. Jupiter's upcoming billion token airdrop marks a pivotal moment for the project, positioning itself as a liquidity aggregator on the Solana blockchain. Jupiter was trading at $0.003, up near 25% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Celestia. Milky Way has introduced a liquid staking protocol for Celestia TIA 15.31%, allowing users to stake Celestia tokens and receive Milk TIA in return. This method is more capital efficient than traditional staking methods. Celestia is a modular network that layer 2 roll-up blockchains can use for data availability and consensus. Milk TIA represents staked TI8 assets while preserving their liquidity, allowing users to trade or use them as collateral across various decentralized finance products. Milky Way operates without a dedicated layer 1 blockchain and uses smart contracts on Osmosis, the DeFi hub for the Cosmos ecosystem. The solution utilizes a multi-signature setup managed by 7 reputed operators. The initial phase of Milky Way's rollout also includes TIA Milk TIA liquidity pool on Osmosis, a decentralized exchange. TIA's market value has appreciated by nearly 400% since its mainnet release on October 31st. However, today, TIA was trading at $12, up near 11% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. Masa Finance, a data network designed to be like a Google for the AI era, is set to launch a decentralized data network and marketplace in Q1 2024. The company is partnering with managed blockchain services AvaCloud to deploy a gasless Avalanche subnet designed to handle high volumes of zero-knowledge encrypted data efficiently and cost-effectively. Masa secured $3.5 million in pre-seed funding to build its decentralized credit data protocol in May 2022. The subnet aims to give users control over their personal data and compensate for its use. Masa is also receiving support from the Avalanche Foundation and investment from Avalanche's Blizzard Fund to develop the platform. This follows NoteKit's $1.2 million pre-seed round to build an Avalanche-based network for rollups. AVAX was trading at $40, up near 3% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Helium Mobile. Helium Mobile, also known as Mobile, has seen a 100% surge in price in the last 24 hours, reaching $0.007. The trading volume has also increased by 200%, reaching $18 million. The mobile virtual network operator, which is also known as MVNO, has around 8,000 subscribers. As part of the onboarding process, new subscribers can earn mapping rewards by sharing their phone's session connection data with Helium. If users agree, a non-fungible token is minted into their Helium wallet, and holders receive a proportionate share of mobile mapping rewards, constituting 20% of all rewards. Users can receive mobile rewards by placing an NFT that supports a location monitoring on their phones, which comes equipped with access to a Helium cryptocurrency wallet on the Solana blockchain platform. This data helps Helium Mobile encourage users to deploy hotspots in areas, reducing network usage payments to T-Mobile. Helium Mobile was trading at $0.07, up near 7% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worldstv.io or scan the QR code.